Ever wondered about the rare and exotic varieties of orchids beyond Phalaenopsis? Today, we're embarking on a journey into a world that's as diverse as it is beautiful. Orchids are more than just Phalaenopsis. They are a vast universe of breathtaking variety, including rarities like the eerie Dracula orchid and the elusive ghost orchid. These are just a couple of the hidden gems in the orchid world, each with its own unique charm and intrigue. Prepare to be amazed by the fascinating world of rare and exotic orchids. First, meet the Dracula orchid, a true rarity in the orchid family. This captivating specimen boasts a bat-like appearance, a nod to its eerie namesake. Thriving in cool, damp conditions, it's a testament to the adaptability of nature. Originating from the lush landscapes of Ecuador and Colombia, it's a gem highly prized by collectors worldwide. With its distinctive characteristics and exotic allure, the Dracula orchid truly is one of nature's most intriguing creations. Next, we have the ghost orchid, a spectral beauty that is as elusive as it is enchanting. This leafless wonder clings to tree trunks, drawing nourishment directly from the air and rain. It's a rare sight, primarily due to habitat loss. The ghost orchid's native lands stretch from the swamps of Florida to the tropical climes of Cuba and the Bahamas. Its enigmatic presence has made it one of the most famous orchids. The ghost orchid, a mysterious and captivating marvel of the orchid world. These are just two examples of the rare and exotic orchids waiting to be discovered. The world of orchids is a vibrant tapestry of diversity and beauty, teeming with species yet to be admired. It's a journey of exploration, a celebration of nature's artistry. But it's also an urgent call to action. The conservation of these stunning species is paramount. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of orchids and beyond.